still in Valencia, and we are actually at a spot that I actually might enjoy more than him.
Well, I don't know. I'm a pretty big kid at heart.
But yeah, we're you can see behind us, we are at Gullivers Park here.
Yeah, and what is Gulliver's Park, Emily?
So it's a park that like takes the story of Gulliver's travels, where he's like a guy and he goes and he sees these like kind of like mini people, and they're like ants to him, and they tie him down, and like basically like I'm not sure the rest, but
Let's try that again.
what? I don't know. So today we are gonna try all the slides and go around it. I've already gone around it once as a little default thing to see what's around there, but we're gonna go try the slides.
All right, let's do it. Let's try this. So Emily, we're at the hat here,
Yep.
and if you look over here,
You can actually go into the foot.
oh, is that right?
Yeah, that's the way to go. It's a slide. The foot is a slide.
Oh yeah?
Hey, should we be
Yeah, let's work our way around the body. I love running in parks. All right, so here's the foot. Oh, we gotta climb the rope.
Yes.
All right, you wanna go first?
Actually,
No? All right. Oh, I see. We're something a little less challenging. It's always a good thing. Bravo, Emily. Bravo.
now your turn.
All right.
See the phone. See you struggle. Good job.
Perfect. All right.
Be careful here.
Yeah, it's very narrow and somewhat high. Whew.
So technically, well, yeah. So this is the only foot that has shoes on because the other foot doesn't have shoes. See that?
Okay. Here you go.
It works for me. Whoa. I know. I told you it's hot.
So we're at the foot right now, right?
Yeah. So his sock sadly got torn.
Oh.
But so now the thing is, the next slide.
That's what it was like in the olden days, Emily.
But
Okay,
the
sorry,
next
go
one,
on.
do you want to be adventurous or not?
Of course I want to be adventurous.
Because you can go up the tower, but I guess we're going to be climbing the leg.
Let's climb the leg. Why not? Yo.
That didn't work.
All right, well, I'll start climbing the leg here. Oh, it's kind of slippery.
Oh yeah, it is. You want to grab onto the... Only took me a few tries. Alright,
Ready?
so let's go. Ready?
I'm all good to go?
Yep.
Okay, here we go.
So here his pinky knuckle.
Okay, we're on the other side of the hand. Here, let me kind of walk away here. So, there.
Knuckle. This is not slide, but we go up here.
I can't hear you, but.
Alright, so we can go up here
Yeah.
and go down that slide. slide.
Yeah, that's
okay?
what I want to do. Or we should climb.
Yeah, we
Climb
might
the rope.
not be able to do the, like, might not have to be able to film
Here,
that one.
I'll get up the rope.
Alright.
And then
Alright.
I did it! And
Now
I
it's
didn't fall in
my-
the river.
Alright, now it's my turn to get up.
2 hours later.
I think we should go together.
But I think we should do that on the other big slide, because this one we're gonna bump into each other.
Alright, speak for yourself. Whoa! Ow! Ow! Painful! Oh! Okay. So that was painful for adults. I don't recommend it. Emily slowly slides to the end. She ran into the stones. Alright.
Your hand!
Yes, yes, I know it's
Alright.
had a bit of an accident.
I kind of don't. Oh, I'm nervous about this. Alright.
I'm nervous.
Yes, I am.
Whew, steep stairs.
I know.
Don't drink too many beers on this thing. Alright. Okay, I can't hear you, dear. Whoop.
Personally, I'm too scared to go down this first.
So you want me to be the guinea pig again?
Yes.
Alright. That looks... Ooh. Oh, that looks very hot.
Steep.
Hello. How are you doing?
I'm scared.
No, you got this. Alright, you got this, Emily. You're...
I'm sorry. It looks.
Well, so far we've done 3 or 4 slides, and I've scratched my leg, burnt my butt.
I'm not the only one for that slide.
One kid's having a...
I'm not the only one afraid of that slide.
Whoops. What's that?
I'm not the only one afraid of that slide.
Who said you were afraid? You know I can edit out your fear. You know that, right? I can make it look like you've never even gone on that slide. Now it's too late. Anyway, but we have to finish this off. We're gonna go to the head. Check that out, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
I want to go
Which hair do I want to go down?
this hair or that hair?
So we're at Gulliver's Head right now, and looks like we'll have to climb that rope to get up there.
Yes.
Can you make that rope, Em?
Not sure if I can.
All right, you want to give it a shot?
I'm not
All right.
a professional rock climber.
You're not a professional. Okay,
I
here.
guess we'll have to go around.
I can get up there.
Okay, I'm excited to see you.
Yeah?
Good job.
You got this, Em. Almost there. Victory! All right, let's go up the stairs.
So,
Oh gosh, we're over by his beard.
head, yeah.
You know what? I would
So-
say for like a 18th century dude, he's got a pretty well shaven beard there. Look how
Yeah.
clean that is.
Ow!
Mario, ¿tienes calor? ¿Te quitas la
Alright.
chaqueta?
Don't go down that.
Have to.
It hurt.
Do it for the video.
I just bruised my butt.
Okay, so we went over the hat.
Yeah.
We did the shoes. We did the legs. We did
We
the
did the
torso.
We did his like jacket.
Okay, and his head. I
Head was painful.
I got a big burn on my butt.
Yep.
I fell into a pile of rocks. I have a big black strip on my butt, and I'm less of a person now for being at this park. I'm not whole anymore. How are you about it?
Well, my butt still hurts from the last one of the head, and I was too scared to go down the green one. But I like the other slides. They burnt me, but they're nice. They're really hot.
Now, don't get me wrong, okay? It's a beautiful park. It's a lot of sliding, and I'm sure kids love it. But if you're an adult who comes into this park with pain to begin with, it's a nightmare park. So don't do it. Just watch them get hurt. Give them something after, a candy. So I give this a middle thumbs in the air. She gives it sort of a half thumbs too, I guess.
Middle and 3/4.
All right, well, don't forget to click on the old subscribing thing, because I have to go back home and sit in a hot tub or something. Bye.